In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a team inside of Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to Teams here in the menu. And then you have two options. You can either invite people to Jira or you can create a new team. You will also have a dashboard for all your teams up here. But if you click create a team, this page will be popping up. And here you can add a team name. Then from here you can add who should be in your team, and you can add them by clicking here, or you can also click in the email address for that specific user. You need to be aware that you can invite up to 50 people at once. Then from here you can go down to membership control, and here you can select whether or not everyone can join this team without approval. Then from here you just simply need to click create a team, and then you can see down here you created this specific team. And down you can go down to view team and see the team dashboard over here. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!